Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be changing a car part. This car part is so easy that anybody could do this. If you don't have any basic knowledge of working on cars, yeah, you should be able to do this if you have a Toyota Camry like we're going to be working on today. So we got a 2002 Camry and we want to replace the outside mirror on this. According to the book that I have here and according to what I've looked at inside the car, it should be so easy. All we need to do is get a wrench. I'm not sure the exact wrench yet, we'll find out. And just turn 3 nuts off and disconnect a wire. And I will save you the trouble from watching the video. Maybe you're in a hurry. Let's go ahead and just go to the Haynes manual here. This is for 2002 through 2006 Toyota Camry. Here we go. Instructions say pry off the mirror trim cover on the inside of the door. Number 2, disconnect the electrical connector from the mirror if equipped. Number 3, remove the 3 mirror retaining nuts and detach the mirror from the vehicle. Number 4, installation is the reverse of removal. Here is the picture showing you the 3 nuts. That white square there is the connector. Alright, so good luck. Thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in watching me do it, I will start that right now. And here's the mirror we're going to be replacing today. You need to remove this cover right here. I'm using a small flat screwdriver. Yeah, we need to push that down. Just like that. Alright, using a 10mm socket, just going to remove the nuts. Alright, go ahead and pull the old one through. Okay, old one. Here's the new one, unpainted. Everything matches up nice. Do we remove this right here? Any instructions? Okay, you just remove those. Alright, let's go put it on. Now we can paint this later. Since it's so easy to remove, if we want to remove it and paint it, we can do that, or we can tape it up. But you got to buy some Toyota paint. Find the color to our car. Now the driver's side door, and we're trying to find the color to match up for the mirror. We will look for that right here. See where it says C/TR. The next 3 there, 1C8. That should be the color for this silver car here. So we'll try to find that in the Toyota match-up paint spray can. Feel a little tidy before we put the new one on.
I guess it's good.
Okay, go ahead. All right, hold on. Let's go ahead and take a look on the other side over here. What you're doing. All right. Lines up pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. What about? Yeah, okay, so that's a little, it's kind of removable here. All right, let's go ahead and put the nuts on. Okay, they're all tightened down. Go ahead and connect it. This is the top up here. Just push it in. I'll let you do that. Perfect. Let's put the key in and see if it's working. All right, go ahead and try it out. All right.
Is it working?
Yeah. We'll just put our cover in place. And the little plastic cover just kind of slips on there. Might be the hardest part of the whole job. There we go, perfect. That's it, replacing a outside mirror, passenger side, 2002 through 2006 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching the video, I hope it's been helpful. Next time, have a nice day, take care.